Place such a Christmas tree in the bathroom. It has a hidden purpose. Glue cosmetic cotton pads folded into triangles onto a styrofoam cone, layer by layer. Repeat this process with each row. The whole thing will start to look like a Christmas tree. Finally, add a decorative Christmas star on top. Spray the tree with your favorite perfume, a beautiful holiday decoration that not only looks great, but also fills the room with your favorite scent. A quick and affordable way to create a holiday decoration that impresses everyone. I chose classic large red baubles. Next, take a piece of floral foam. Cut a small piece and divide it into smaller rectangles. Attach the foam pieces to the top of the baubles using hot glue. Prepare decorative string and cut 2 longer pieces. Thread the string through the bauble and tie a secure knot. Now it's time for the main decoration. Take a spruce branch. You can use either fresh or artificial spruce. Trim the branches into smaller, individual pieces. Fresh spruce adds a natural forest scent to your home. Insert the branches into the foam base, layering them to form a round shape. Fill the gaps between the branches with small holiday ornaments. Attach the finished decorations to a door frame or ceiling using hooks or double-sided tape. Hang the baubles at different heights to give the decoration a light and elegant look. The result is truly stunning. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to decorate your home and bring in the holiday spirit. The hanging baubles create a harmonious and charming composition. Pine cones dusted with snow have a wonderful taste. With this recipe, you'll amaze your friends and family. To start, take 180 grams of sponge biscuits. For this recipe, you can use either long or round sponge biscuits. It's important that the biscuits are soft. Next, crumble them with your hands in a bowl. The next ingredient is mascarpone cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of mascarpone to the crumbled biscuits. Then add 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of Nutella or another chocolate spread. Mix the ingredients until you get a smooth dough. Use your hands to knead the dough. When the dough is ready, take a piece and shape it in your hands into a pear-like form. Repeat this with each piece of dough. From these proportions, I made 5 large pieces. The final and most important ingredient for shaping the pine cones is chocapic-type cereal flakes. Start pressing the flakes into the dough, shaping them into pine cones. There are 2 ways to do this. The first method is pressing the flakes from top to bottom. The second method is pressing them from bottom to top. Insert the flakes one by one so that each new layer overlaps the previous one. Ensure the flakes at the top are placed vertically for a realistic pine cone look. Finally, sprinkle the prepared pine cones with powdered sugar. They look like they're dusted with snow. These treats not only impress with their appearance, resembling real pine cones, but also taste delicious. They're perfect as a dessert for cozy winter evenings. Your guests will be delighted. Place it on the windowsill. Water and condensation won't settle on the window panes. This adorable ornament will help eliminate moisture. Plus, it looks absolutely charming. Grab a white sock and turn it inside out. Trim the end with scissors. Tie the sock's end using thread. Make a couple of knots to make sure it stays put. Turn the sock right side out. Get some white rice ready. Pour it into the sock. Rice is an excellent moisture absorber. Additionally, it tackles unpleasant odors. Once the sock is filled, tie the top with thread. Then, shape it into 2 balls, holding it in the middle with your hand. The upper ball should be smaller than the one at the bottom. Take some thread and tie it in the middle. Take a long piece of red fabric and tie it in the middle. This will be a small scarf. Take a colorful sock and cut a piece off. Place it on top of the sock to create a little hat. Prepare some black and red pins. Attach the red pin in the middle and 2 black ones on the sides to form eyes and a nose. Insert 3 black pins into the bottom ball. They'll look like buttons. This charming sock snowman will make a delightful holiday decoration. Creating it is as easy as child's play, and kids absolutely love it. Plus, just place it on the windowsill to solve any window-related issues. In winter, windows often collect water, leading to mold. The rice inside the snowman effectively absorbs excess moisture around the window. No one will guess that this ornament has such a practical purpose. This festive snowman is a moisture absorber that looks beautiful and costs next to nothing. Create a festive centerpiece using wine glasses without spending any extra money. It's common to have leftover glasses after some break, so this project is a perfect way to reuse them. Start with a decorative or brightly colored plate as your base. You'll need 3 wine glasses for this project. Before placing them, take a thick, decorative paper, trace the glass rim to create 3 circles and cut them out. Set the circles aside for now. Fill each glass with a mix of baubles in your chosen colors and small ornaments you already have. Seal the tops of the glasses with the paper circles using hot glue, locking the decorations inside. Place the glasses upside down on the plate. For a festive touch, tie red ribbons around the stems, making charming bows. Finally, place small candles on the bases of the inverted glasses. Light the candles to create a stunning centerpiece perfect for a holiday dinner or a cozy winter evening. Enjoy the warm, festive glow that brings a magical atmosphere to your home. Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table.
For less than $10, you can make a 1-meter Christmas tree. You only need a plastic office basket. Mine has a capacity of about 10 liters. Mine cost $5. It's important that it expands upwards. Also, prepare 6 wooden sticks. Each of them costs $1 and can be bought at a construction supermarket. They should be about 100 centimeters long. Turn the basket upside down. Attach the sticks to it using hot glue, making sure they are evenly spaced. If the basket has a rim, you can insert the ends of the sticks into it. When you glue them all, they should converge upwards to create a teepee shape. Connect them at the very top with hot glue. Prepare 3 Christmas chains. Dense and thick ones work best. I chose silver ones. I already had them at home from previous years. Starting from the base of the tree, begin to wrap them around, gluing them with hot glue to prevent them from sliding on the sticks. Wrap carefully, adding more chains. It's important not to leave any gaps. When the sticks are fully wrapped, a tree will be formed, but it's not the end. Attach a star ornament to the top. Take several Christmas baubles in different sizes. Attach them to the tree using hot glue at irregular intervals and heights. And there you have it. Making such a tree is childishly simple. Additionally, it costs next to nothing. It's almost a meter tall and beautifully decorates the house. The chains reflect the light beautifully.